Hello everyone, myself Saroj Kumar Pradhan, industry expert from 9sem.com. Now we are going to discuss about introduction to submerged arc furnace. First thing of all, we have to know what is a furnace. Furnace is a device in which the chemical energy of fuel or electrical energy is converted into heat, which is then used to raise the temperature. Now the principle of submerged arc furnace is electric resistance heating. Electric energy is converted into heat and reduction energy by using the resistance of the burden or the molten slag. Here the energy is transmitted to the furnace hearth by carbon electrode. The power of the furnace is the product of the resistance and the square of the electrode currents. Submerged arc furnace is generally used to produce ferroalloys. Most of the tonnages of ferroalloys are produced by electrothermic method. Here carbon serves as the reducing agent. See the picture of submerged arc furnace. Submerged arc furnace can be alternating current three-phase type. The transformer is the most important electrical equipment which needs special attention. In the submerged arc furnace design, the transformer rating decides the capacity of the furnace. Ferroalloys industries plays a vital role in steel industries to produce steel. Ferroalloys are essential ingredients used for alloying, refining, deoxidation, desulfurization in the production of different of steels, and hence ferroalloys industry forms the backbone of iron and steel in the world. Now see the process route. Raw materials from the mines are transferred to the stockyard by different transporting system. Here see the diagram. Raw materials fed to the furnace through charging beans. After required power consumption, then the tapping operation is done. After tapping, the liquid metal is poured into a metal bed. After that, cooling is done. Then the hard metal is shifting to breaking yard, where the metals are broken into size, and then it's shifted to sales yard. Here final inspection done, and then the metal will be dispatched. Now see the furnace. The hot fumes goes to the gas cleaning plant through duct lines. Now here in the gas cleaning plant, the refined air is left to the atmosphere and the dust are collected, and the collected dust are reused. Now see the recent developments in submerged arc furnace. During last 30 years, a lot of developments have taken place to increase the transformer capacity to as high as 150 MVA to produce ferroalloys of the 200 ton per hour. Now modern electric furnace for smelting ferroalloys are equipped with continuous self-baked electrodes. The use of fines in the furnace by suitable agglomeration has given priority with due emphasis on techno-economic viability. The submerged arc furnace operates as a batch melting process, producing batches of molten metal known as heats. The submerged arc furnace operating cycle is called the tap-to-tap cycle and is made up of the following operations. The tap cycle, like furnace charging, then smelting, then tapping, then pouring, and then finished product processing. Here next the topics to be discussed: basics of submerged arc furnace, details of the furnace, process parameters, submerged arc furnace details, and industrial safety in submerged arc furnace. This is all about brief introduction about submerged arc furnace. Thank you for watching. Details I will share in upcoming video.